Morning everyone. I've been gifted a couple of old tubers of bearded iris, and I'm quite keen in these, so I have split the tubers up by cutting them with secateurs, and I've prepared this pot with some free draining compost, lots of grit. And the trick is just to place them so that the roots are facing down on the surface of the compost. Now I've got this one, which is a small, almost rooted bud, and I'm just going to pop that on there as well. And then it is just a case of sprinkling it with some more grit, which makes it a bit more free draining but allows the tubers to have some light. It also anchors them down a little bit while the new roots go into the compost. And then I'm just going to soak this and leave it out in the sun, because the place where I want it to grow hasn't been prepared yet. So we'll see how that goes.